தேதி ரியோ நகரத்தில் மாற்றுத்திறனாளிகளுக்கான ஒரு போட்டி நடந்தது. அதில் திண்டுக்கல் மாவட்டத்தைச் சேர்ந்த மாரியப்பன் கலந்து கொண்டார். அப்பொழுது அவரின் தாய் மிகவும் பதட்டத்துடன், அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம், என் பெயர் மாதேசியா, நான் 6ஆம் வகுப்பு ஆசிரியர் படித்து வருகிறேன். முன்னோர் கிராமத்தில் அஸ்வின் என்ற பையன் இருந்தான். அவர் பள்ளியை முடித்து வரும் வழியில் அவரின் அம்மா விதையை விதைத்திருந்தார். அஸ்வின் கேட்டார், அம்மா இந்த விதை எங்கிருந்து வந்தது? அதுக்கு அம்மா கூறினார், இந்த விதை ஒரு மரத்திலிருந்து வந்தன. அந்த மரம் எதிலிருந்து வந்தன என அஸ்வின் கேட்டார். அதுக்கு அவரின் அம்மா,
அனைவருக்கும் என் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். என் பெயர் மாணிக்கம். நான் 6ஆம் வகுப்பு ஆசிரியரிலிருந்து தூரங்களுக்கு நீ என கதை கூற வந்தது. ஒரு ஊரில் ஒரு பழ வியாபாரி இருந்தார். அந்த பழ வியாபாரி வியாபாரத்துக்கு போகும்போது தன் மனைவி கூறினார், எனக்கு சாயங்காலம் ஒரு அவசரம் இருக்கு, அதுக்காக எனக்கு 1000 ரூபாய் வேண்டும் என்று கேட்டார். அப்போது கணவன் சொன்னார், ஓ பார்க்கலாம் என்று கூறி வியாபாரத்தில் சென்றார். அப்பொழுது வியாபாரம் வாங்கிக் கொண்டு இருக்கும் பொழுது அவருக்கு 2000 ரூபாய் மட்டும்தான் வந்தது. அப்போ Hello everybody, my name is Ramiki from Standard 8. Today I am talking about my ambition. My ambition is a doctor. My ambition is to become a doctor. I want to help many sick people feel better. I love caring my other and I belong to study hard to achieve my dream. Study science is a biology and my favorite subject. Helping others make.
Good afternoon to all. My name is P. Veerasan from 6th A. Today I talk about my ambition. My ambition is cricket. Cricket is a complex sport. Cricket is played with the bat and ball. Each team has 7 members. Good afternoon to all. Today I am going to talk about my ambition. My ambition is to become a Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Chief Minister holds the Tamil Nadu and helps to the peoples of Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Priyanka. I am from 6th A. Today I talk about my ambition. Everyone has one ambition in life. My ambition to become a doctor. Doctor helps sick people. Doctor are kind and happiness. I will study hard.
Good afternoon to all. My name is M. Tisra. I am going to tell about the topic of my ambition. My ambition is collector. I am going to become a collector in my future. A collector work is a government officer. Good afternoon to all. My name is Priya Nadesh Banga. I am studying 6th standard education. Today my topic is about my aim. I want to become a scientist in my future. When I become a scientist, I will invent many devices.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Kirti. I am studying in 6th standard education. My topic is my ambition. My ambition is the doctor. I want to become a doctor. I help the poor people. I help the sick people without money. I give the medicine free for poor people. I like the baby, so.
Hello everybody. My name is Ramiki from 6th A. Today I am talking about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was a great mathematician. He was born on 476 KD. His birthplace was Bangalore, India. He wrote the book of Aryabhatta.
Hello everybody, my name is Priya Nadesh Banga. I am studying 6th standard education. Today I am here to talk about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was a famous Indian mathematician and scientist. He was one of the scientists to give scientific reason for solar and lunar eclipse. Who say Earth was spinning on its axis. Good afternoon to all. My name is P. Veerasan from 6th A. Today I talk about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta is a great mathematician. He was born in India. He is the first person who invented in zero.
Good afternoon. My name is Ramiki from 6th A. Today I am learning the Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was a great scientist and inventor. He was born on 11th February 18 1947 in America. He was very curious and hardworking from childhood. His teacher considered him weak in study. After leaving school, his mother taught and encouraged him at home. He made more than one.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Divya. I am studying 6th standard A section. Today we are going to see a Thomas Alva Edison, who invented 1,000 things. The person who is famous for having over 1,000 inventions and patents is Thomas Edison, who created the practical electric light bulb, the phonograph and the motion picture camera. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Emily Dixie from Standard. Today I am talking about important savings of money. Money is important in life. Saving money is good habit. It helps in hard times. Saving equals sacrifice. Money saved and money earned. Saving reduce worries. It helps in turning future needs. Saving makes us disciplined. Everyone should save money. Savings makes us happy. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. My name is P. Veerasan from 6th A. Today I talk about the importance of saving money. Saving money is a good habit. It helps in future. Saving money is a good habit. It helps in future. It helps buy important things in later. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Priya Nyandaspala. I am studying 6th standard A section. Today I am talk about saving scheme. Saving money is a good habit. We should not waste our money. The saving money is help in our future. It is very good habit. Thank you. Good afternoon to all. My name is P.S. I am studying 6th standard A section. Our topic is importance of saving money. Money is important in our life. Saving money is a good habit. It helps in hard times. Saving gives us security. Money